Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to transparent or change a PDF file background opacity. Open your PDF file and select organize option. Now select your background option and select your add background, and this is background color option. First I'll add background, like this background, and this is background opacity option, that's transparent. I'll make it 50%. Also you can increase decrease this transparency, and finally select OK and see this our PDF file background color now transparent. And finally select this file option, save or save as your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.